Good evening, sir.
Yes,
Anrup this side.
yes, Anurup, tell me.
Thanks a lot, sir, for giving your time.
Yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to know. Actually, I took your course classes in during Feb 2020,
Hmm.
and sir, I'll be appearing for the May exam. May 22 is my attempt,
Hmm.
and I'm planning for single group.
Hmm.
So, sir, for group 2, basically, I have completed almost all my classes. Only tax is left.
Hmm.
So, cost, since I did it so early, like in Feb 2020, so that at that time I had a lot of confidence while I had studied from you. But right now it's something कि याद है नहीं है कैसे है. So I just wanted to know that can I take your fast track batch and study from that for the papers?
Actually, you don't need it. You can just take our revision system classes.
Okay.
So, if you are available in evening 7 p.m. onwards, so it will restream from November 8th on YouTube channel. So, it will be a continuous 12 days classes, and with that, I think you will get the whole feel of SCMP back. And just after each of the class, like one day, one chapter we are doing. After each class, what you have to do is just solve the questions from DGB book of that chapter.
David Jari Booty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So just that much is required.
But, yeah, please.
Yes, just that much is required. Yeah.
Okay. So, but if I want to take the fast track batch, so can I take it if because 7 o'clock I have my tax class scheduled at that time, and I'm doing my articleship from KPMG, so at certain times we leave at 8:30, in the evening, because due to work from home, you can understand that.
So what we will be doing is we will be also bringing it for playing by students at some little bit of extra cost also. So that will be available for students to play as per their convenience, but will be available only for 2 weeks validity. So you can also take that. I don't think you need to invest again in fast track. That's my point. So if you just invest in revision system, you will be through. Since you have already done classes very recently, I don't think you need to do again this fast track. Not required.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So you are you advise to take on the revision one.
Yes. Whether if you are able to do on YouTube, it will be free for you, or else just coming week only I will launch that on paid basis also for doing at your convenience, but it will be available only for 14 days. So if you are
whenever I take.
Yeah, from whenever you will start, it will be available for 14 days. The idea is to actually, pressurize the students to complete that within 14 days. Otherwise, if I give the validity for 2 months, 3 months, they won't study. At the end, the situation will not improve. Yes.
Yeah, I totally understand that.
Yes.
So you are of the opinion to take that revised one. There's no need of fast track.
Yes,
but
I
just and just one more thing, like my friend was also asking, since he hasn't done the course, saying if he takes your fast track batch, so you complete the entire syllabus there, na?
Yes. Everything is covered.
So if he is also planning to give single group with me only, his cost is left.
For him, fast track. Yeah. For him, fast track is advisable.
So he would face any issue in the paper, like all the relevant data, he'll be able to fill, right?
Correct. What he should do is he should do fast track, and then he can also do the revision system. So whatever gap will be there in fast track, that also will be filled up through revision system.
Yeah, the one you mentioned.
So at least you have to revise things 3 times. After fast track also you have to revise for 3 times.
Okay.
So one revision can be done through this revision system, and rest to post that revision system, it will be easy. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. You are really kind. The way you teach, so humble, and you giving your time after being so hectic. It's really an honor to speak to you.
Same
I'm
here.
really looking forward whenever I visit
You
Canada.
should have
I
you should have switched on your video, right?
One second, sir. So actually, I am doing my orientation class, so I just came out and I'm in my car.
No problem. Okay. Chalo, carry on.
It was a really great experience. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you, Anurup.
Okay. Thank you,
हम
sir.
लोग
Bye.
ऐसे जलान भाई ही हुए तो जाति भाई हो गए.
मुझे लग रहा था आप बोलेंगे उसी पे, तो मैंने
सही है.
उससे बोला था अड्रो बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे लग रहा था चलान आप ही बोल दोगे.
चलो ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.